Welcome to one of most comprehensive courses in the world. I will talk about the progress and the details of the course. This course provides you to learn the Rhino program from the most basic to the professional level. Because during the course, MIGAYAT will model with the help of the Rhino program. After modeling everything about 74-meter long MIGAYAT, I think it's impossible for you not to learn the program very well. First of all, I want to say what we are all thinking. MIGAYATs and gigantic ships. We admire them all and think about how complex structure they are. Actually, they are not as complicated as they seem. For thousands of years, ships have been built for different purposes. The main feature of all of them is that they float. Trust me, learning a job that has been around for 1000 years shouldn't be hard at all. Let's start by talking about the progress of the course. The Rhino course will start with modeling the hull of the boat with the help of lines plan. The lines plan is a plan that provides three-dimensional ship geometry to be shown on a two-dimensional plan. Oh, I don't want you to think that the course doesn't start from the most basic. The hull model you see on the screen has been modeled a customer and is a design office advancing both in our MakeSurf course. MakeSurf is a program where ship hull form can be produced and calculated. The customer and the engineer made some admissions. All of these assumptions were handled in the MakeSurf course. An optimized boat form was produced. After the necessary engineering calculations of the hull form produced with MakeSurf, while there was nothing in the middle, a lines plan indicating its three-dimensional form was revealed. In fact, we modeled the boat on the MakeSurf course when there was nothing in the middle. In the Rhino course, we will remodel the hull using the lines plan course of the same boat. Don't think that this course doesn't explain hull modeling from zero with Rhino. Modeling a hull with lines plan is much more difficult than modeling a ship hull from scratch. In fact, that's why we modeled the hull of the boat with the help of lines plan. But don't worry, I also talk about how to model a hull with Rhino without using any references. We will transfer all the course in 2 dimensions to 3 dimensions. Then I went on a path where you can model all the different types of boat hulls with the same method. You will be able to model your boat hull in a short time and with the highest quality. After the body modeling process are completed, we will draw a sketch on paper using our imagination. Then all we have to do is transfer in 2D sketch on the paper to 3D using our imagination. With the help of dozens command in Rhino, we will model the superstructure in 3 dimensions. While doing these operations, of course, we will also make important calculations. For example, calculation of floatable length and gross tonnage calculation. Some terms may sound unfamiliar to you right now, but these are things that have been going on for thousands of years. By the end of the course, you will learn all of them. You will tell yourself how easy it is to use the Rhino and build ship. We will complete all the modeling process without missing any point and model MIGAYAT you see on the screen together. After completing the modeling process, we will get the rendering using the V-Ray program, which is the rendering plugin of the Rhino program. You will also be able to master the details of rendering with the help of this section. Afterwards, the course will be some technical progress. We will model the boat construction with the help of the Rhino. I will model the boat construction by explaining all the construction modeling process with the help of some methods I have produced. With the help of these methods, you can model the construction of your own boat with the help of the Rhino program. Next, we will do interior design and render. When we have completed these tasks, if you have repeated everything I did until the end, you are now a good Rhino user. When we come to the end, we will make the most important calculation necessary for the boat to float, so we will do the weight calculation. Then I will talk about how to draw important plans such as general arrangements plan and shell expansion plan. Then we will add the weight data we have obtained to the MakeSurf program. In the MakeSurf course, we will make the boat ready for the production by creating stability booklet in Lloyd Register standards to be delivered to the captain. Later on, I will talk about the production stage of this ship and we will complete this training. Please let us know about the boats you will produce in the future. This is the way progress is.